We're in the Western Conference quarterfinal. It's Game 3, and the place is crackling with excitement.
And on the two teams causing all that crackle are the Detroit Red Wings and the Phoenix Coyotes. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Shanahan gets rubbed off the puck. Mowed down. Doan gets hold of the puck. Gets away a hard shot. Joseph made the save. There's a penalty coming up. Lidstrom gets called for roughing.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet, I was right.
2 minutes for roughing.
Lankow. Brewer shoulders Amonte.
Kajaka, that hit was spectacular.
Mera. Lidstrom puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Mera with the puck. Chelios drops Lemieux. Lidstrom. Yzerman shoots the puck. Burke hits the post. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Chelios is going off for cross-checking.
Jim?
Yes?
How long is this penalty for?
2 minutes. Detroit will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Lemieux scores!
Playing one man down, they prove they're a 4 to be reckoned with. Just because they had one less man didn't mean they couldn't score, as he so kindly pointed out.
Detroit gets a goal to put them on the board first.
And I'm willing to bet it's a sign of good things to come.
Doan. Heavy shot. Joseph. Great save.
The goalie really understands the concept of position.
Chelios is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Breakaway. Shanahan shoots. Bordelot jumps on the loose puck. Doan grabs it. It's one-on-one. He misses the net. Amonte gets hold of the puck. Shot the puck. Joseph stoned him cold. Shanahan. Chelios now has the puck. Backhanded shot. Burke slams the door shut. Doan takes control of the puck. Brewer turned away.
That was textbook technique, Jim. Textbook.
Schaefer with the puck. Schaefer shoots it quickly. Grabbed by Detroit. Bordelot. Buchberger takes it. He gets laid out. Savage takes possession of the puck. Brewer. Yzerman gets checked.
That's the kind of hit that makes people say, really? That counts as a hit?
Buchberger gets hold of the puck. Cannonading drive. Yzerman. Yager shoots it. Savage jumps on it. Kolanos. Detroit grabbed it. Yager. Detroit scoops it up. That's offside. It seems we've got a fight on our hands, Dunn.
Actually, Jim, I think the guys on the ice will handle the fighting. All we have to do is talk about it. He put him through the spin cycle and hung him out to dry.
Lemieux. Shot the puck on the right off the post. Chelios scoops up the loose puck.
He's doing the hokey pokey.
Lemieux takes control of the puck.
The sun has set on the first period, and soon the second period. Jim, I won't lie to you. We've got a close game on our hands.
That was a great opening period. Let's see if the intensity continues here in the second. Shanahan rips a shot. The door is shut by Burke.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
Kolanos got the puck. Savage trapped offside and play is stopped. Amonte. Markov. Doan corrals it. Fires! Joseph made the huge save. Doan knocks the net off and play is stopped. Doan takes the puck. Amonte now has it. Joseph made the save. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Yager gets it. Doan. Cabrera moved it. Bordelot. Amonte takes possession. Shanahan fires hard. Bordelot. He gets laid out. Timonen takes possession of the puck. Lemieux. Robitaille, one-time shot. Phoenix takes it. Suchi. Markov gets laid out.
After being hit like that, he'll be seeing more stars than a night at the Oscars.
Solani. Robitaille. Burke stoned him. He came up with a puck,
Which is way better than a rabbit.
Phoenix puts its checking line out. Yager fired it from the right. Burke turned the shot away. Burke hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Lidstrom. Bordelot with the puck. Amonte gets checked.
Hits him so hard, I'm surprised he didn't knock the colors off his uniform.
Burke shut the door.
There's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo.
Shanahan. Shot! Cabrera gets in the way! Barahowski takes control of the puck. Doan. Timonen gives him the business.
If you believe the cartoons, he must have eaten a can of spinach before that one.
Lemieux shoots the puck. Burke made the save. Doan. It's one-on-one. Blasts it from the left. Joseph closed the door. Timonen jumps on the loose puck. Robitaille has it. Lemieux grabs it. Shoved. Scores!
Even the most jaded fans have got to love that diamond of a goal.
Detroit has got to feel good about doubling their lead there.
I expect the mood in the locker room to be anywhere from cautious optimism to overjoyed jubilation. It's hard to tell exactly, though.
Yager gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. Kuba. Shatan took the puck. Yzerman took it. Shatan. Burke denies him. May turned over in the neutral zone.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Schaefer fires it. Missed the net. Detroit just saw one of its players fall to injury.
And the whole bench jumped up at once. They want a penalty.
That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though. 40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes to... Anyway, you get my point. Jim, it's great to be back for this game, and even greater to see you've regained enough trust in me to loosen my restraints. Thanks.
Don, this is just a test. The face-off goes to Detroit. Yager shoots the puck. Saved by Burke.
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Kolanos fires it. He scores!
That one flew in while the goalie was on standby.
They're seeing the lead slip through their fingers a little bit at a time.
We'll see who wants this game more.
Christopher Kolanos, assisted by number
Savage gets hold of the puck. Stoned by Joseph.
He's on a one-man mission to purge the net of pucks. One shot at a time.
Kolanos offside. Phoenix. The face-off goes to Detroit. Tanguay now with the puck. Shatan now with it. Misses. Bookberger. And that's icing. Kolanos. Savage got the puck. Detroit gobbles it up. Robitaille. He scores!
Just look at him celebrate. He knows how amazing the goal he just scored was.
Detroit has scored again here in the third.
I'm so proud of them. They're my pride and joy, Jim.
Amonte, huge shot! Saved by Joseph!
The key to making saves is timing.
Cabrera takes control of the puck. Joseph stoned him cold. Robitaille. Burke denies him.
I don't think that could have been any less spectacular.
Amonte, he scores! It trickled in.
An out-of-this-world play that brought the goalie down to earth.
Can they hold on and eke out a win in the third?
How would I know?
You weren't supposed to answer that, Don. It was a rhetorical question. Savage holds it by the defender with one hand on his stick.
His next trick, levitation.
Shoots the puck. Burke makes the tremendous save. Chelios scoops up the loose puck. Doan nails Nieuwendyk. Nylander had the puck. Blasts one. Burke turned the shot aside. Amonte. Tunge with the puck. Shatan has it now. Phoenix makes a line change. Amonte. It's one-on-one. Lemieux, hard one-timer. Doan takes control of the puck. Off the post. Joseph made the save. Kuba. Yzerman now with the puck. Phoenix gets a hold of it. Amonte went in ahead of the play. That's offside. Shanahan corrals it. Shot it. Turned away by Burke.
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Icing is called against Phoenix. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things. Amonte grabs the puck.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
Joseph made the save. Solani. Lemieux now with the puck. Shoots! Turned away. Burke freezes the puck. He flattens Suchi.
If he hits any harder, he'll need a permit.
Bookberger, he has his pocket picked. Yager. Shanahan with a wrist shot. Scores! Top shelf.
Top shelf where you hide the cookies from the kids. Sorry, kids.
Detroit will be going to the dressing room happy.
It's easy to lose your concentration and let one in during the final minute. They have held on.
Amonte scores upstairs.
The goalie stood there waving as it cruised by on the upper deck.
Detroit clinging to a one-goal lead.
They've got to shake off that last play and clear their heads. Concentrate. Concentrate. That's it.
Mera jumps on the loose puck. Lemieux gets the pass from Burke. Burke is going off the ice.
One goal behind in the final minutes. This is going to be a wild, woolly one.
The Coyotes come in offside. Shanahan. Yager now with the puck. Detroit has it. Shoots quickly. They hit the empty net.
Jim, that's his first goal in the NHL. I'm putting it in the scrapbook.
Detroit has ensured itself victory now.
But they can't get careless. Believe me, when you get careless, mistakes happen. Sorry again about that whole pastry gun thing, Jim.
Phoenix is running out of time. Empty netter. Doan. That's icing. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. This thing's over. Detroit claims yet another victory to stretch its series lead to 3 games.
One more win and this baby is theirs.
Tonight's third star for Phoenix.